Let's see how to overline words in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, we already know how to underline words in Microsoft Word. We can do it simply by clicking this icon right here, which will underline all of your highlighted text. However, overlining is a different story. To overline your words, head on over to the Insert tab. Now click on Equation and click on Insert New Equation. Now right here, click on Accent, and down here, you'll see two options for both overbars and underbars. Now click on this one with a line above it, and that should show up in your equation field. Now head on back to the Home tab, click on this dotted box right here, and simply type in your text. Note that you can also change the font and the font size of your text when typing it in. Now let's go ahead and type our text. And you'll see that we now have an overlined text. I hope this helped, and I